Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last lesson we learned about comparative operators, and this lesson we'll be learning about logical operators. The main three logical operators are AND, OR and NOT. They are mostly used to compare values. Let's start with the AND. Let's open a new file. You write just like AND, like this. It compares both values to make sure that both of them are true. It's mostly used when there's a point in the code where you have to compare two and you want both of these values to be true. So let's say you're going through a pizza buffet and you like pizzas with only onion and cheese. But there is only a pizza with cheese and none with onions. Let's add a variable holding these informations. Pizza has cheese and that is true. Pizza has onions. Pizza has onions will be false as the pizza does not have onions. Now we want to compare them and see if one is true or if one is false. For that we need to get both of these. Both of these. Copy them, paste them. You don't necessarily have to copy and paste them. And down there. Wait, I made a mistake. Okay, good. Now, up. So now we'll run it and see if it works. Let's see if it has comparison operators. Save it and let's see what happens. So there must be a problem in our code, a bug, and we have to see how to fix it. Let's open the code and see. So the problem is probably that it probably compared it, but we did not ask it to print if it's the answer. So let's add the print function, and as we are comparing two variables, we do not put apostrophes. Now let's run it. It should false because one of the options, one of the values is false. One of the values is false while the other one is true. That's what, and it's saying, and as the AND operator wants to make sure that both of the values that you're comparing are true. One is false, so it's not true. Now let's start with the OR operator. Here, it's written like OR. Now let's say it makes sure that at least one of the values that you're comparing is true. So now the OR operator is going to make sure that at least one of these are true. So let's going back to our pizza example. We are seeing that we want to see if at least one of them. As we now know that we don't have pizza with both of them, there might be a pizza with only one of these. So let's start it, and it's written like, let's print it because we want to show the answer, and pizza has cheese or pizza has onions. Let's close the brackets and enter. Let's see if at least one of them have. Let's run it. Yes, so one of them has. Now we'll go to the not operator. Open it. It's written like this, not. So the not operator makes sure that the value that you're comparing is false. So let's say you do not like a pizza with mushrooms. Pizza has mushrooms equals true, because the pizza has mushrooms. Now we want to see if pizza has mushrooms, but we do not want it to have mushrooms, and the not operator makes sure that that the value that you're comparing is false. So now let's do not pizza has mushrooms. Let's run it and let's see. So the pizza has mushrooms as the value is true, and it's trying to make sure that it's false. So now it's telling that it's false that the pizza does not have mushrooms. So today we learned about the three main logical operators and, or, and not. The AND operator makes sure that both the values that you're comparing are true, and the OR operator makes sure that one value is true. The NOT operator makes sure that the value being compared is false. Bye, see you next video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. It will really motivate me to teach you more.